Hi everybody, this is Judi at Judi in the Kitchen. We're talking about reducing salt intake, and this is the part 2 video in a 2-part series where I am taking an inside look at some salt-free seasoning blends. So hopefully this will help you out. I'll have a link to the part 1 video below. You want to make sure you see them both. Or you could check out my blog post on this subject. The link is below in the description box. And that will allow you to see the entire article that I've written about reducing salt intake. It's very comprehensive. So let me invite you to take a look at that when you can. Today we're starting this evaluation of salt-free seasoning mixes with Lawry's Salt-Free 17 Seasoning. The ingredients list reads spices, parentheses, including black pepper, celery seed, turmeric, end parentheses, garlic, onion, carrot, citric acid, toasted sesame seed, orange peel, red bell pepper, cornstarch, and lemon peel. The makers of Lawry's Salt-Free 17 Seasoning suggest that this mixture be used on pasta, seafood, poultry, and beef. Interesting that they don't say vegetables in there. Now for the pros associated with this list. Lawry's is a brand that most grocery stores will carry, so the blend should be easily available to most people. They also advertise that it contains no MSG or artificial flavors. That's nice to know. For the cons, from the wording on the label, spices, and then parentheses, including it appears that some of their spice ingredients may not have been disclosed, and that may be a problem for some people who are reactive to certain spices. If you have no reactions to specific ingredients that you think might be in there, that's not a worry for you. But if you react to certain things and you want to make sure it's not in there, there's a question here as to whether or not they have other ingredients listed in there. I speculate that they do. It also contains citric acid and cornstarch, which are commonly made from GMO corn. If you are trying to avoid genetically modified organism corn or other GMO products, then this is one for you to avoid because it does contain GMO ingredients. Okay, so that's a big one. The next salt-free seasoning blend is McCormick's Salt-Free Vegetable Seasoning. The ingredients list is onion, garlic, spices, parentheses, including black pepper, thyme, basil, end parentheses, red bell pepper, tomato, corn maltodextrin, modified cornstarch, sunflower oil, vinegar, parsley, citric acid, natural flavor, and extractives of turmeric. McCormick's company suggests that this blend be used on vegetables, salads, chicken, fish, eggs, rice, pasta, and in vegetable dips. The pros, it's gluten-free. The cons, from the wording on the label, spices, parentheses, including just black pepper, thyme, basil, end parentheses, does make it appear that it's possible that there's other spices in this mixture. They obviously don't want to disclose everything that is potentially in there. If you're reactive, just like I said in the prior one, if you're reactive to any specific ingredients that might be in there, then this mixture may not be right for you because you don't know if that is in there or not. Even if you contact the company, they may not tell you if paprika or whatever it is that you are reactive to is in there. So that's a possible detriment for some people. Note that this blend contains corn, oil, vinegar, citric acid, and natural flavor. Those are ingredients that I know for a fact some people are deliberately trying to avoid. Even if it's one out of the list, then that makes this a blend that is not going to be right for you. So you might want to continue to shop from there if you are avoiding corn, oil, vinegar, citric acid, or natural flavors. The next salt-free seasoning blend is Simply Organic Spice Right Everyday Blends, all-purpose, salt-free. The ingredients list is onion, garlic, black pepper, tomato, bell pepper, carrot, orange peel, celery, sage, rice concentrate, cumin, thyme, oregano, and rosemary. The makers suggest that this be used on salads, side dishes, main dishes, and more. Now, for clarification purposes, and this is not a pro or a con, the only very slightly questionable ingredient in this blend, in my eyes, was the rice concentrate, and it's really a matter of terminology. I did a little investigating to figure out what rice concentrate really is, and it's the fiber and the silica portion of the outer layer of rice. It might also be called rice hull, and it does not contain any of the rice kernel itself, and it's used as an anti-caking agent to replace potential other ingredients like silicon dioxide, maybe even cornstarch, something like that. It's considered to be a clean label, natural, organic ingredient. Now, as far as the pros, all ingredients, including that rice concentrate, are organic, vegan, non-GMO, and kosher. Cons, I found no cons associated with this particular blend. So if you're looking for something that's clean as a whistle, then the Simply Organic Spice Right Everyday Blends All-Purpose Salt-Free Seasoning Mix may be for you. The next one on the list is Watkins Organic All-Purpose Seasoning Salt-Free Mix. Now on the ingredients list, they have a little asterisk by all but one ingredient, and that asterisk means that it's a certified organic ingredient. So I'll let you know which one ingredient is not certified organic. The ingredients are dehydrated onion, organic spices, parentheses, black pepper, parsley, celery seed, basil, bay leaf, marjoram, oregano, savory, thyme, cayenne pepper, coriander, cumin, mustard, and rosemary, and parentheses. Notice the word including was not there. They've listed them all. Dehydrated garlic, dehydrated carrot, dehydrated orange peel, dehydrated tomato, lemon juice powder, parentheses, rice maltodextrin, lemon juice concentrate, lemon oil, and parentheses, citric acid. That's the last on the list, and that's the one ingredient that is not certified as being organic, the citric acid. Watkins Company suggests that this blend be used on chicken, beef, vegetables, salads, or any favorite dish. Hey, sounds pretty versatile. Regarding the pros, all the ingredients except the one are certified as being organic. The blend is non-GMO project verified and kosher. The cons, the blend contains rice maltodextrin, which is an additive made from processed rice starch. This ingredient is considered to be safe by the food industry. It may or may not be an issue for some people. So if rice maltodextrin is a problem for you, and you may want to think twice about this particular blend. The blend also contains non-organic citric acid, which may be a problem for some people. Some people purposely avoid citric acid. So avoid this blend if either of these additives are problems for you. If not, it's one that you might want to consider. I do hope this helps you out. Let me know if you have any questions or comments below. Take care now. Bye.